In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SKU numbers for Shopify in 2025. If you've ever found yourself managing an online store, you know organization is key. A well-structured SKU system helps you track inventory efficiently and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Let's walk through this process step by step. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and have navigated to the My Store homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the main functions you need to manage your store effectively. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Add button, which you'll find on the left sidebar. Clicking this will open additional options to enhance your store capabilities. Next, click on the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find numerous apps that can transform your store into a more dynamic and user-friendly platform. Here, we'll search for an app specifically designed for generating SKU numbers called SKUGen. In the search bar, simply type SKUGen and press Enter. After you've typed in SKUGen, it should appear in the results almost immediately. Go ahead and click on the SKUGen app, which will redirect you to the app's main page where you can see its features, ratings, and reviews. This app is specifically crafted to handle the complexities of SKU generation, helping you automate what could otherwise be a daunting task. Now, you'll want to install the app. Look for the Install button on the main page of SKUGen. Click on it to begin the installation process. You may encounter a screen asking for various permissions and integrations for the app to communicate with your store effectively. It's important to review these permissions and click Install again to grant access. Once the installation is complete, you'll find that SKUGen is added to your list of Shopify apps. With SKUGen installed, it's time to set it up. Locate the SKU generator option within your apps. This tool will allow you to customize your SKU numbers according to your preferences. Click on SKU generator to access these settings. Here you have the option to modify how your SKU numbers are structured by using a prefix, suffix, and setting an auto number start. These features allow you to include categorization information directly within your SKUs, which can be incredibly useful for tracking inventory and sales later on. And there you have it. You've successfully set up SKUGen in your Shopify store, equipped with the knowledge to generate organized and efficient SKU numbers. This will not only streamline your inventory management, but also enhance your overall operational workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more store management tips and tricks.